Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. Unfortunately, many men ignore symptoms that they should take more seriously. Here are the ones that can be really dangerous. "I'll be fine." That may be the response you get from some men when they experience unusual health symptoms. This is health symptoms that men should never ignore. Number 1. Chest discomfort whenever doing anything physical. If you tend to experience chest discomfort whenever you exert yourself, it could be a sign that your heart isn't as healthy as it should be. If a man experiences chest discomfort that's brought on by exertion, and goes away with rest in a few minutes, he should seek medical attention promptly. This is the symptom we call angina. And it often indicates there's a narrowing in an artery supplying the heart muscle. Less often, this symptom could be caused by a narrowed aortic valve, the valve that directs blood from the left ventricle, the heart's main pumping chamber, into the aorta. Number 2. Cough combined with heartburn. One of the main causes of a nagging cough is gastroesophageal reflux disease, better known as GERD. Acid spilling up from the stomach can irritate nerves in the lower esophagus, which can cause you to cough. And get this, the nagging cough can occur without heartburn, which is why a lot of people don't realize it's due to GERD in the first place. Number 3. Swollen or stiff joint. You might think experiencing stiff or swollen joint is due to all that extra yard work you did, but it can also be an indicator of bigger problem. One thing you should never ignore is joint swelling and joint stiffness. These signs or symptoms could be the sign of declining health status. Oftentimes, it could be the start of benign degenerative arthritis or osteoarthritis, but may underlie something more serious or detrimental. It may be the early signs of autoimmune arthritis, such as rheumatoid arthritis or psoriatic arthritis, immune system imbalance, hormonal imbalance, improper nutrition. Number 4. Sensitivity to cold temperatures. If you're always cold no matter how many blankets you bundle up in, you could have hypothyroidism, if you're wearing multiple layers of clothing in the same environment. As others who are completely comfortable sans coat, it's time to get your thyroid levels checked out. And for other indicators of serious illness, these are all the cancer warning signs hiding in plain sight. Number 5. Cough that gets worse at night. If your cough has stuck around far beyond the length of a typical cold, into the 3 or 4 week range, it could be a sign of something more serious, potentially even coronavirus. A common symptom in patients with advanced heart disease can be a chronic cough that gets worse at night as you're lying flat, due to fluid building up in the lungs. Number 6. Unplanned weight loss. Losing weight can be incredibly hard, so if it happens, you're usually putting in the effort in the kitchen and at the gym. So if you're losing pounds and aren't sure why, it could be a cause for concern. Losing more than 10 pounds, or 5% of your body weight, in 6 months to a year could be a sign of a long list of health problems, including diabetes, hyperthyroidism, cancer, and liver disease. Number 7. Sitting most of the day. If you sit all day at work and then all night at home, you're setting yourself up for poor health. Not only can a lack of movement cause problems, like muscle and joint pain, poor endurance, and difficulty with functional movements, but it can also weaken your body. When you don't move or participate in any sort of exercise, even just a walking program, the body will progressively weaken. The muscles and joints stop properly stabilizing the body, and areas of stiffness and loss of mobility settle in. Oftentimes, these restrictions lead to pain, which further perpetuates the sedentary lifestyle. Number 8. Experiencing multiple chronic symptoms. When you're dealing with certain symptoms every single day, it's not uncommon to brush them off and forget about them. Unfortunately, if you want to stay healthy for years to come, that's one of the worst moves you could make. Somewhat subtle symptoms such as fatigue, low testosterone, slower metabolism, digestive disorders, joint and body pain. And skin conditions are common due to chronic inflammation. They become significantly more important to pay attention to over time as the inflammation builds and can turn into serious, or even life-threatening conditions, including cancer and dementia. Number 9. Trouble remembering things. Everyone forgets where they put the car keys and remote every now and then. It's a normal part of the aging process. One thing that isn't normal, though, is forgetting what your remote or car keys are used for. Those memory problems could be a sign of mild cognitive impairment or dementia. Number 10. Sudden weight gain. Sure, plenty of people gain some weight around the midsection as they age, but if you let your waistline grow, you could be setting yourself up for health problems down the line. Most people know that being overweight has a negative impact on their health, but don't know that even if their weight is in the normal range, abdominal fat can be dangerous. Visceral fat increases the risk of conditions like heart disease and diabetes even more than being overweight. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.